Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see on the title of this video, makeup brushes for beginner, I have been getting questions what type of brushes that I use for my makeup. So today I want to share the brushes, show you the brushes that I use. So the first brush that you will need is this. It is a foundation brush. As you can see, it is flat and it is dense. And the brush is from BH Cosmetics. Majority of my brushes here is from BH Cosmetics or from Elf Cosmetics. So this is a foundation brush. As you can see, it is very good for people that love pushing their foundation on their skin like this. And another one again is from Elf. This is a Elf Ultimate Blending Brush. As you can see, it is also dense. I love it too. It's either I use this or this just to push the foundation on my skin. Then the next brush that you will need is a concealer brush, also from BH Cosmetics, number 130. Can you see it? So it is good to press foundation under your eyes, on the bridge of your nose, on your chin, or a lot of people like using beauty blender to blend their concealer under their eyes and the highlighted areas. So this one is damp and this one is not damp. Can you see? It's the same size, but because this one is damp, it adds more than this. Can you look at it? Okay. So after concealer brush, the next brush that you will need is a face brush to set the whole of your face. So I am still on BH Cosmetics. This one is number 1. Okay, you see it is fluffy, it is dense and fluffy. So you use it to put powder on your face like this, or you can also use this Elf pointed powder brush. It's almost like the same shape, but this one is more pointed than this. Okay, for face brushes, it's either you go for BH Cosmetics or you go for Elf. And BH Cosmetics, when you buy their full face makeup brushes, I think it should be 20 something euro, but you get enough. And the same thing with Elf. So BH Cosmetics and Elf, I am loving these two brands when it comes to their brushes. What you need again is, you're gonna need, if you're that type of blush, like putting blush on your cheeks, is Elf blush brush. Can you see? It is somehow tapered, so you just add that. You see? Okay. Then if you are the highlighter type of a person, as a beginner, we don't do all this concealer, foundation, contour, highlight and all those things. But if you are the type that love doing it, then this is a highlighter brush that is from Elf Cosmetics. Elf Cosmetics highlighting brush, you know, to put highlighter on your face. So this brush, I can even use it to set my under eyes. Is either I use this or I use my sponge to set my concealer under my eyes. So it is multi-purpose. Then another brush that you will need again, then you're gonna need this. It is so precise. Okay, so you contoured your, you see, because I hate when contouring and the contour cream or whatever product is all over my face. So this brush is precise. It just goes straight to where you want. You can even use this to contour your nose. It goes straight to where you want it to be. And it's from BH Cosmetics, number 127. I'm going to put all the brushes and their number and their names in my description box. So what else will you need again? I think it's all about it for face brushes. I have so many foundation brushes, but it's either from BH Cosmetics or from Elf. They are so affordable and the quality is top notch. You're gonna love it, and it's going to, if you handle your makeup brushes very well, it's gonna last you for a very long time. So hope you enjoyed this video. I just want to show you the brushes that I use on my face. Like I said, the next time I'm going to show you eyeshadow brushes you need. As a beginner, we don't need all these brushes, because when we start watching YouTube video, it can be overwhelming when we see all the brushes they use. But just do what works for you. Some people might decide to like, no, I want 2 brushes, then that is fine. Foundation and powder, you are good to go. So but if you're that type of person that love it step by step, then these brushes are gonna do great for you. Thank you so much for watching. If you have tried these brushes, just leave it on the comment section below. Tell me your experience with the brushes. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Like always, share with your family and friends. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Let us keep growing this channel. God bless you. Stay safe out there. Bye.